Ever wonder why your phone that felt lightning fast when new now lags just opening apps? It's not your imagination, and it's not just planned obsolescence. There's science and strategy behind your phone slowing down. Let's break it down, fast. Core reasons your phone slows down. Software gets heavier. Over time, operating system updates are designed for newer hardware. They often include features your old phone struggles to handle. Even apps update with more animations and background processes. Example, that same social media app from 3 years ago now requires double the RAM. Storage fills up. As storage nears capacity, your phone needs more time to read and write data. Cached files, photos, videos, and unused apps pile up. Tip: phones often slow down when over 80% full. Battery degradation and performance throttling. Battery wear. Lithium-ion batteries degrade with each charge cycle. Older batteries can't deliver peak power consistently. Apple and some other companies throttle performance to prevent crashes when the battery weakens. Thermal throttling. Overheating leads the processor to slow down to avoid damage. Happens more often as internal cooling components wear or dust builds up. Other factors. Background app bloat. Apps run processes in the background, even when not in use. Too many apps can consume RAM and slow the system. Outdated hardware, new apps are optimized for faster processors. Your older CPU and GPU struggle to keep up. Think of it like running modern video games on a 10-year-old laptop. What you can do: clear storage regularly, delete unused apps and cache, avoid unnecessary updates if your phone is aging, consider a factory reset every year or two, replace the battery instead of the whole phone. Your phone isn't sabotaging you, it's just aging like anything else. But a few smart habits can keep it running smoother, longer. Like what you saw. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.